Okay, welcome to Purpose Lifestyle Academy. Today we are going to discuss cell structures and their functions. Nucleus, the first one is nucleus. What's the function of nucleus? Nucleus controls all cell activities. Nucleus controls all cell activities. It contains also DNA molecule, contain DNA molecule, contain DNA molecule. So it is a general control of the control center of the cell. The cell, since it contains DNA molecule, it is the control center for all cell activities. Cell membrane. Cell membrane, in another name, it is known as plasma membrane. Plasma membrane or cell membrane controls what enters and leaves the cell. It controls what enters and leaves the cell. It is a security guard. It acts as a security guard. It controls what enters as well as leaves the cell. Uh, the next one is mitochondria. Mitochondria is covered by double membrane, one of the double membrane organelle. It is known as powerhouse of the cell. Powerhouse of the cell. When we say this is a site where energy is produced, site where energy is produced for the cell. The next one is ribosome. Ribosome synthesize proteins. Is site for protein synthesis for the cell. And the next one is lysosome. Lysosome can produce some enzyme, and that enzyme may break down cellular wastes or remove cellular debris, cellular debris, cellular waste. Sometimes it is known as recycling center for the cell. Endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum made up of a network of membranes. It transports substances for the cell. Sometimes it is known as rod of the cell, rod of the cell, rod of the cell, of the cell. This is what about endoplasmic reticulum? Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus packages, modifies, and distributes proteins for the cell. So it is known as cellular post office that modifies, packages, and distributes proteins. Cellular post office. Golgi apparatus. It is known as cellular post office. Cellular post office. The next one is rough endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum has ribosome on its surface, has ribosome on its surface, has ribosome on its surface. So since it has a ribosome on its surface, it has rough appearance as well as involved in protein synthesis. It is involved in protein synthesis. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum has no ribosome on its surface, has no ribosome on its surface. So, since it has no ribosome on its surface, it is involved in lipid synthesis. Lipid synthesis. So, sometimes it is known as oil factory for the cell. Oil factory for the cell. Oil factory for the cell. For the cell. For the cell. So this is what about cell structure and their functions. Nuclear nucleus control all cell activity. Cell membrane controls what enters and leaves the cell. Mitochondria, the powerhouse of the cell. Ribosome, site for protein synthesis. Lysosome, break down cellular wastes. Endoplasmic reticulum, transport substances in the cell. Golgi apparatus packages, modifies, and distributes proteins for the cell. And the rough endoplasmic reticulum involved in protein synthesis, since it has ribosome on its surface. A smooth endoplasmic reticulum involved in lipid synthesis. Thank you. See you next. Subscribe, share, comment for Purpose Lifestyle Academy.